strong. Right now, Mr. John, with the average volume of 1.95 million, this current volume on ANY stock is getting up to 834,000. You know how it goes, right, Mr. John? You want to be in that stock where that volume is lower than that average volume, because once that volume picks up and meets up with that average volume and then starts to spike, those floats get filled. A free float of 13.29 million on ANY stock, and we're going to talk about the news and the fundamentals, the charts and the technicals. Mr. 8 of Manchild has sent me more hot news about Sphere 3D over on the Twitter. Let us know what stocks need to be updated next, whether it be whether you want TikTok or Facebook or YouTube or in the Discord, over on LinkedIn or on Reddit, whatever it is. Let us know. We'll update that in the next video. Mr. John, how you doing today, man? Yeah, it's another great day. I'm blessed every single day. Big plans, big plans. I've been thinking about starting a Banking with Billy charity to plant trees to save the world. Man, this is something that I'll be starting to look into more later on in the year. Right now, we got a lot of stuff to focus on our premium sections, making sure we coaching and training all the new members. And that does remind me, Mr. John, to let them know to everybody is welcome in at the Banking with Billy Discord, whether you are a new trader, whether you are a novice, whether you don't know nothing, whether you a pro trader, no matter how it goes, everybody's welcome to the Banking with Billy Discord, and lots of new members joining in on the Banking with Billy Discord lately. And let me tell you something: if you're a high school or a teenager or a young buck, y'all get membership free for life. Get in here before you do your graduation or whatever you got going on, and you will be blessed and Banking with Billy to get this easy money for life. My goal is to teach the next generation coming in so the world can become a better place. All that good stuff like that. But enough digression. A and Y stock, Mr. John. I actually do have some hot information on this stock right now. I'm finna share my screen to you so you can be able to see this as well. This is hot information, man. A and Y stock. After you hear this, and he's gonna make you a believer. A and Y stock. So check this out. Not only do we have the stock coming in for his next round of bullish divergence that we love to see, an easy reversal off the technicals, right? But make sure that we keep an eye on our analysis order flow as well, so we'll be able to see if we got the largest coming in or largest going out. As we can see here, the largest, they want to hold this thing back a bit. You got more largest going out. We got more mediums coming in and more smalls coming in. They're making the inflow outdo that outflow. And get this: the last couple days, we done had the large scale $1 million USD orders that have been heading out of and or shying away from ANY stock. Now, you know they want to hold this thing back. We talking about those shorts and whatnot. And keep this in mind: they've waited a very, very, very long time for ANY stock to go back down to its most lows and oversold for the next round of bullish divergence. Last time we seen the stock touch those lows and oversold for long-term investment time frames, it came in for a quick pop from about $7 to like $83. That was back in 2021. They waited even more years right now to see this first round of bullish that we see coming in here most recently. Now, this is going to be very good on ANY stock. Let me tell you why this stock at those lows and oversold ranges on the long-term investment time frame is going to start to make this stock gear up. Because those big whales, they're going to love this. So check this out. Hot news from eight fathers, man, child, and I appreciate you. Let me know any other information you got. Throw it in there so we can throw it in the video too. So we got the Bitcoin mining potential. Oh yeah. Spirit 3D, they're talking about Bitcoin miners and stuff like that. Okay, so you got the Bitcoin mining potential, which is a 61% increase in Bitcoin mining by March 24th, by March 2024. With expectations of record growth in 2024 and consistent quarter-to-quarter improvements, mined record Bitcoin in December 2023. They said they will have significant revenue growth. The company's revenue surged by 322% in Q3 2023, outperforming the industry averages. Listen to this. This stock out. What's the stock at right now? What's the price of it? What's the price of this stock right now? They at They at 190 right now. And get this, they got the Vanguard price target at $6 on this thing that they just gave to the stock about a month or so ago. They say that they have projected Bitcoin mining expansions. Listen to this. Spirit 3D is set to significantly increase its Bitcoin mining output in 2024 and 2025. This is just the beginning. They timed this correctly while this thing was down on those lows, coming out with this hot news and these hot updates. They say that out of anticipation of Bitcoin becoming, you know how you've been talking about the one world currency and whatnot. They said Bitcoin about to become the global currency. So Sphere 3D is optimizing operations in anticipation of Bitcoin becoming the one world global currency. They have Bitcoin's price influence they're talking about, considering that Sphere 3D's current Bitcoin holding and mining projection, a Bitcoin price reaching 65,000 this year could substantiate a $24 fair value for this stock, highlighting the direct impact of cryptocurrency markets dynamics of Sphere 3D valuation. And get this. So they got the J&M's price projection, right? J&M anticipates Sphere 3D could reach $10 to $20, citing substantial improvements in its $83 peak 2021. And we have been seeing crypto. I don't really mess with the cryptos and all that stuff like that too much. I don't really know too much about all the cryptos and whatnot. But we have seen Bitcoin coming in for. We've been seeing these cryptos go crazy lately. They've been going crazy. Like, look at this right now. Bitcoin reaching up towards, what's that, about 70,000 now. You know why? The nonstop uptrend. Yes. Of course, of course. Easy. Yeah. I tried to open some tip ranks information on there. You know how those stock market sites, they be having all those ads and pop ups everywhere. Straight freeze the computer up. But nonetheless, Pure 3D looking good in there, man. Hot news coming out on there. And we'll be looking for that next explosion. And now is the time to be going in. I've already I've already closed my recording.